We have already yesterday we have learned about the divisibility rules of 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Here we have to learn about the divisibility rules of 7. Take a 3-digit number. Suppose that is ABC. Here A is in the place of 100 place, so 100 into A, 100A, and B is in the place of 10's place, so in 10 into B, and C in the place of 1's place, that is 1 into C. Here we have to write it as 100 is not divisible by 7. So what is the number, nearest number to 100? It is divisible by 7, we have to find out. So 100 is not divisible by 7, 99 is also not divisible by 7, 98 is divisible by 7. So I have to write it as 98A. Remaining 2A, you have to write it here. And here in this 10B, 10 is not divided by 7. And 9 also is not divided by 7. And 8 is also not divided by 7. 7 is divided by 7. So I have to write it as 7B here. And remaining 3B, I have to write it here. And last 1C, I have to put it here. So I have to check for the divisibility of 7. We place the digits in the 2A plus 3B plus C, and I have to check whether it is divisible by 7 or not. I have given an example for you, that is 588. Here write it as A as 5 and B as 8 and C as 8. The value of 2A plus 3B plus C is 2 into A value is 5, so put it the value of 5 here. And what is the value of B? Value of B is 8. So I have to write 3 into 8 plus what is the value of C? 8. So I have to write 8 here. 2 into 5 is 10 plus 3 into 8 is 24 plus 8. What is the sum of these three numbers? 24 plus 10 is 34. 34 plus 8 is 42. 42 is divisible by 7. Because 7 6 is 42, so 42 is divisible by 7. So 588 is divisible by 7. I have to check the numbers like this. All of you understand or not? I have explained it another time for you. Here write, you have to check 2A plus 3B plus C only. You have to here A is equal to 5, B is equal to 8 and C is equal to 8. The value of 2A plus 3B plus C is equal to 2 into, you have put the value of A here, that is 5, so 2 into 5, plus you have put the value of B here, that is 3 into 8, you have to put the value of C here, that is 8. 2 5s are 10 and 3 8s are 24 plus 8. The total value of these three numbers is 42. 40 divisible by 7, so 588 divisible by 7. I have to check these for 3-digit numbers. I have written for 3-digit numbers. I have to you have to check for 4-digit numbers, 5-digit numbers, also like this. Then it will be changed here. Then another divisibility, you have to learn about another divisibility rule is 8. In the divisibility rule of 8, you have to check the last 3-digit numbers are divisible by 8 or not. If last 3-digit numbers are divisible by 8, the total number is divisible by 8. I have given one example for you. Here is 76,728. Last 3-digit number is 728. So you have to check that 728 is divisible by 8 or not. So I have divisible with 728 with 8. 8 9 is 72. The remainder is 0. I have to put the 8 here. 8 1 is 8. So 728 divisible by 8. So the total number 76,728 is divisible by 8. All of you understand or not? Okay, then divisibility rule of 9. We have to learn about the divisibility rule of 9. If the difference of sum of the even place digits and odd place digits is divisible by 9, then the total number is divisible by 9. What is the rule of 9? You have to check that the sum of even place digits and odd place digits and find the difference of those numbers and check it is divisible by 9 or not. I have given an example for you here. that is 3663. Here ones place, see here odd places 1, ones place is 3, and even place 2 place is 6, and here third place 6, fourth place 3. I have underlined even places only. Even place, second place is 6 and fourth place is 3. So sum of even place digits is 6 plus 3, 9. And sum of odd place digits is ones place in third place. That is 3 plus 6, 9. The difference between 9 minus 9 is 0. So 0 is divisible by 9. So 3663 is divisible by 9. Have you understand or not? I have given another example for you for understand that 9, the divisibility of 9. Here some of the even place, here I have given a largest number here. What are the even places in these numbers? Second place 8, fourth place 9, sixth place 7. You have to understand here. Sum of even place digit is 8 plus 9 plus 7. That is 24. That odd place, some odd places are ones place, third place, fifth place and seventh place. You have to odd, the sum of the odd place digits is 2 plus 7 plus 7 plus 5. The sum of the odd place digits is 21. What is the difference between these two? 24 minus 21 is 3. But 3 is not divisible by 9. But 3 is not divisible by 9. So, this number, that is 57,79,782 is not divisible by 9. In a worksheet for you, first one is check the divisibility rule of 7 for the given numbers. Here they given 4 numbers for you. You have to find the divisibility rule of 7. You have to check the rule for these 4 sums. And another second sum is check the divisibility rule of 8 for the given numbers. I have given 3 sums here. You have to check the divisibility rule for these 3 numbers. And I have given a third sum is check the divisibility rule of 9 for the given numbers. I have given 2 sums here. I have to check the divisibility rule of 9. Is it divisible by 9 or not?